Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12s, and today I will show you how you can activate always on display in this smartphone. So as you can see, when you enter for the settings, we cannot find here the always on display section. So how we can make this feature on our phone? Simply we have to use external application from the Play Store. So tap on the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Muviz Edge. We have to get this application, so let's install. Right now we can open, click on the record audio, we have to grant permission, click while using the application, and the same for the draw over other apps. And from this screen we have to find Muviz Edge and then tap on the switcher, then just go back, click here to overlay mode, and then click to get started. Right now, click on the AOD screens. Here we got the two themes. I'm going to apply this one, so click to apply. And then when you go for the settings, you can change when to show this AOD. So I'm going to pick it as always. We can close after double tap or single tap. We can also close after touching fingerprint. We can change brightness, screen timeout. We can enable notifications. From this screen, we have to tap on the switcher, then just go back. And the same for the music controls, we can get it permanently, we can show date, and we can show status of the battery always. After that, when we go back and then lock our screen, take a look. After a few moments, the always on display will be appears on the screen. When you tap on the screen once, it will be unlocked. You can also use your fingerprint sensor, and that's how you can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.